My dear friends, welcome back to Base Spice. In this session, we'll focus on how to prepare a drawing for system cabinet. Okay, for system cabinet. This year's system cabinet. Hope you had watched my previous session on system architecture and cabinet specification, all those. Okay. So if you are not watched, you can spare some time to watch so that it will be very easy to follow this system cabinet design. Okay. Once again, thanks a lot for your support and wish you all a very, very happy and prosperous new year, 2024, friends. So on this good occasion, I'm going to give you something different in the sense normally we go with the what do you call PowerPoint presentation, right? So this time I'm planning to give you some kind of a live session. Of course, it's not a live session, but I'm going to explain the panel design, system cabinet design with the help of a actual project drawing. So I'll be flipping between the PowerPoint and the drawings. Okay. I'm not sure how it is going to be, but let's see. And of course, all depends on your support. So if this is okay and fine, and if you guys are all, okay with this, then I will proceed with the other, marshalling cabinet, digital, analog, all those I will go with in this same fashion. Okay, friends, let's move on with the agenda. Okay. See, again, before starting the agenda, I would like to, what do you call, stress this. See, this is again targeted for the system engineers. Okay. So system engineer should know what are all the aspects he need to look and what do you call, implement in the panel drawing when he prepare. And the same time, our EPC team, also need to watch out for all these aspects. So that's a point. Of course, the end user will look at holistically. Okay, friends. So for a system cabinet, we should have this external layout. That should be the first page, external layout. Okay. Then we should have the channel base details. If you remember, friends, the plinth, all those we talked right in the specification. Yes, that is the one. Then internal arrangement. What is going to be mounted internally? Meaning your power supply, controller, FCU, FIO, a network interface unit, all those, the terminals, all these, how you are going to arrange it. That should be the third sheet. Then fourth one, little bit, we are going to have a sectional view of this internal arrangement. Sectional view in the sense a cut, XX and YY, a cut. We are, going to cut and do the sectional view, right? Yes. So then power distribution. So this is if it is 120 volt AC UPS, you go with this option. Okay. Sometimes maybe 230 or maybe 24 volt DC. Okay, friends. Right. Then power distribution front nodes. Front nodes meaning there are node concept right in your car, right? So how we are going to supply the power for all the nodes which are all in the front side. Then the power distribution drawing for the rear side nodes. Okay. Then utility. Utility in the sense, the fan, light, and socket, all these comes under. Then the cabinet, alarm, and wiring diagram. That is also part of this. So these are the things. Then cabinet grounding and wiring diagram. Okay. So these are the 10 aspects we are going to cover. And apart from that, we are also focused on the nameplate details and BOM. So totally, if you look at the DCS system cabinet, you should have all these 12 items, friends. That's it. Very simple, right? Okay. Now I'm going to give you the live example of a sample project. Let's move on. I will just, with your permission, I will stop sharing this. Okay. Then I go to the, this one. Yes. Yes, friends. I'm here now. So this is the look and feel. Maybe I'll just reduce it a little bit. You can have a look, very clear look. So this is the layout. What is that layout? External layout. Okay. You can see here the layout. Layout in the sense what? Okay, maybe I'll just, a little bit blow up. Okay, you can see here the dimension 2100. If you remember, the height is 2100, right? Yes. Then you have this 800 or 740. Okay. So that is the dimension. panel minimum dimension. Okay. Okay. Then, yeah, you can, sorry, not 740. Oh, this is 740, but the total length, if you see here, this one, this is 800 dimension. Okay. So it's a 2100 by 800. Okay. Got it? Right. Good to go. So one will be the front view. Okay. This will be the rear view. Okay. Now the front view, let us see. What are all those? You can see here the fan, right? Yes. So fan, two fans on the top. Okay. Then you have a nameplate here. This is the nameplate. Item 7 is the nameplate. This is the fan 1 and fan 2. This is a nameplate. Okay. This nameplate can be here or can be here actually. It depends on your choice. Okay. Then what is this item 1? So item 1 is the cabinet. Cabinet is, that is 2000 height, 800 width and 800 depth. Okay. So 2000 height in the sense, you can see here, this is the height. 2000, right? Yes. So this 2100 is additional by adding the plinth. So this is the plinth. If you remember the specification, we talked about this, right? 100 mm, right? So altogether it is 200 mm, 2100 mm. Okay, friends? Okay. Then we will see the other items here. What else is here? Yes, this is the cabinet 1. And here, item 4. What is this item 4? Item 4 is a drawing packet. Okay, we can go for a A3 size or we can go for a A4 size. Okay, better to insist on A3 because you know the drawings we can put it with ease. Okay, and A3 printout order. Okay, right. Then this one. Item 3. If you see the item 3, this is the door handle. Okay. If you remember the spec, we talked about this, right? Yeah, door handle, push button and lock insert, front and rear doors. This is the one, handling. Okay. All these system guys should ensure it, and EPC team need to watch out for all these. Okay. Then we have this filter 1 and 2 on the bottom also. Okay, that is on the, this is the inlet filter. Okay, this is the inlet filter, sorry, the 1 and 2 is the inlet filter, and this is the fan. This is fan 1 and 2. Okay, that's it, friends. So this is the look and feel of the front view. Now we come to the rear view, friends. Okay, rear view, you can see here, this, what is this item 5? Item 5 is a lifting leg. That is also need to be there. Okay, then item 11, what is that? This is the side panel. If you remember, the spec, we talked about the side panel, right? Yes, this is the one. Nothing but a side cover. That's it. So if your panel, you are mounting from left to right, sorry, right to left. So here you will be having a proper cover. Then subsequently many panels will be there, right? So this is what side cover. This is the side, what do you call it? Side panel. Okay. So likewise, many panels will be here, right? Then you have this fan, this one fan, and yeah, that is about the fan. Okay. Then this is actually nameplate again, nameplate. Then you have this again, what is this 7? Yeah, this is also yeah, the, what do you call, door nameplate. Okay. Then you have this filter, that is we already covered. So basically this is the look and feel, friends, the external layout. So system guys should actually design in line with this. So this one I have taken again with Yokogawa an example. That is the best example I can say, very simple and easy to understand. Okay. And EPC team need to watch out for all these aspects in the external layout. I hope this is clear, right? Okay. Then there are a bit of notes also I added. What is that? Door stay to be installed at the bottom of each cabinet door. Also, cabinet door are electrically connected to the frame by 10 AWG. That is a wire. Okay. American wire gauge and green or yellow wire. Okay. Maximum door opening is 120 degree. That what do you call, angle. Okay. So those things we need to ensure, right? Okay. Okay, now apart from this front and rear view, we have one plan view also, friends. You can see here this plan view. Yeah, this is the one. You can see here. If you look at the plan view, you need to represent like this. You have this fan, right? Fan 50, fan 51, 52, right? Here, this is the rear side, right? Yes. Then you can see the 800 mm depth. Okay. Then what is this 38? Okay. 38 is nothing but din rail actually. This is din rail actually. Okay. Then you have this dimension, right? 800. Then the front view. You can see here the front view. Fan 1 and 2, right? This is the fan 1 and 2 that is there in the front view. So this also you need to we need to represent. That's about the representation. Okay. Then you have this panel specification, very important. You can add on this itself in this page itself. What is that material? What is that? Sheet steel or CRCA steel, whatever is that as per your specification. Then enclosure, frame, roof, and landing plates. What is the thickness? If you remember the spec, 1.5 mm, right? Yes. Then door is 2 mm. Okay. Mounting plates is 3 mm. Okay. Then surface finish, enclosure frame, dip coat primed, and door roof also dip coat primed, powder coated in texture. What is the texture? RAL 7035 on the outside. Okay, right. Then gan plate, zinc plated, and plinth RAL 7022, right? Black, right. Then protection category, NEMA type 1. Okay, I think IP42. Okay, friends, right. So these are the things we need to ensure in this external layout. I hope this is clear, right? Okay, then I'll go to the next one. DCS system cabinet channel base. This is very simple. So this is again a plan view for the channel base. You can see here your clamp on rail, all these. It is a typical plan view. And you have this gland plate details also, right? You have the gland plates, right? All these. It's like a removable plate because you need to take out and you need to drill the holes according to your cable size and the number of cables, right? So this is about the gland plate details. And this is the base, panel channel base. This is a channel base. Yeah, you can see here the channel base. If you remember, 100 mm, right? Yes. So this is the look and feel, and this is more of a connection actually. Bolt M10, M1030 and M12 by 80, and also the stud bolt and nut here. This is of course by others actually. Yeah, that is a section view. AA. You can see here section view. This is the AA here. Anyway, I think this one basically the second sheet is the channel base details. Okay. So all these need to be there. And what is the sixth item? Item 6 also I want to give you. This is actually the insulator. If you remember, between the panel and the base plate, the channel base, there is a hilum sheet or something like that. We highlighted, right? Some insulator in the specification. Yes, that is the thing. This one, 5 mm, it can be a backlight also. This is the insulator, friends, right? Okay. I hope this is also clear, right? Yes. So nothing, no special notes here. Now we go to the third item, this internal arrangement. This is very, very important actually. Okay, friends. So now same dimension, friends. No, nothing change, same dimension. Only this drawing will give you how this the components are internally organized. Okay. Maybe before that, I want to take you to this item 35. So what is this item 35? Item 35 is nothing but universal light. If you remember, we talked about the light, right? That is the one. Light we should provide it, and some nodes also there. So we have to see what is this nodes. Okay, we'll go back this side. Yeah, what is this node 2? So 3U mounting plate before node 6. IU 1U mounting plate before and after the FCU. Okay, that is actually a mounting plate. That's not an issue. That is for, mounting the nodes. You need to mount, right? Yeah, how to fix it? So that is a mounting plate. Okay. Then item 40. What is item 40? This is the node actually. This we call it as a FCU unit, field control unit. You can see the power supply. You have the processor. You have all these ESB bus, all right? All slot 1, slot 2, all here IO module is going to be mounted. Okay. Then 41. What is this 41? So this is the ESB cable. I think we discussed, right? Yes. That's why I'm telling better to watch that and come back. Otherwise, it's very odd actually. Okay. This is item 42, friends. Okay. That is the ESB bus. Okay. So similarly, let's say this is the one node, then subsequently all these will be connected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 nodes are here. This is actually what do you call? This is the front view actually. Okay, so in front we are having the nodes, 5 nodes. Okay, what is the 39? 39 again, it's a node unit. 39 is also node unit. Yeah. Likewise, there are various nodes. Depends on your IOs. The nodes will go. So totally 5 nodes. You can see here 3, 4, 5, up to 5. Then you have 9. What is this item 9? Is a mounting bracket. This is again a mounting bracket for this one, for mounting these nodes. Okay, right. Then we have item 43. What is this item 43? This one. Item 43 is nothing but mounting plate for the distribution unit. That is basically a PDO. You know, you have to mount this power supply, all these, right? MCB, all these stuffs, right? So that is the mounting plate again. And yeah, then we'll go to the note 1. There is some note 1 there. What is that note 1? Everything is important here. Yeah, mounting plate size. Okay, so they talked about the size 700 width by 440 height. That's okay. That's not an issue. That one based on your panel size you can choose. So that is there. 43 we covered. Then item 21. Okay, what is this item 21? So 21 is nothing but a MCB. It's a main circuit breaker. Okay, friends. This is the main circuit breaker. Okay, all these are basically all these power supply requirements. Everything will be here. Then you have so many MCB, of course, based on your choice. Okay, like a CB1 to CB7. There are 7 MCBs are there. Okay, right. Then I'll go a little bit here. 17. Item 17 is the PVC duct. You know, this PVC duct for routing the cable. That one also we need to ensure. So here the PVC duct is 25 with 100 height. Okay. That depends on your cable and other accessory, other requirements. Okay, friend. So that is 17. Then what is this item 24? So 24 is nothing but incoming terminal from the UPS. This is the supply. This is the incoming supply. Okay. Item 24 incoming. Sorry, item 24, right? Yeah, AC incoming terminal. Okay. Yeah, this is where your AC supply is getting terminated. Anyway, you consider this as a power supply. Okay, right, incoming supply. Then we'll come here. This is 22 and 42. What is this 22? 22 again circuit breaker for a nodes. Okay, for each node actually. Okay, yes, circuit breaker for all the nodes here. This is the one. Item 22, right? This one. All these. This is the feeder 1 and this is the feeder 2. You can see here the arrow. Yes. Then 42 also same, I think. 42 is, yeah, this is also circuit breaker. All these you need to provide here. So basically, yeah, the funda is in the top side. Top side we'll have these nodes, okay. On the bottom side, we have the MCB, all this power supply requirement. Okay, friends. Then what is this 14? 14 also we will see. 14, number 14 is that, yeah, tinned copper isolated earth bar actually. Yes, this is the earth bar. Okay, you have to provide this earth bar. So that is of tinned copper isolated earth bar. This is for the instrument circuit ground. Okay, right. So we need to ensure, friends, all these. EPC team need to watch out for all this, and system vendor should actually ensure all these are in the drawing. Okay, so that is the point. Okay, then what else? I think we covered. So what is this 32, 33? 32 and 33? 32 and 33. Yeah, again, it's a AC power distribution terminal. And of course, this is the shorting link, all the shorting link, everything. Okay, that's good. Then 24, 36. Yeah, this is again, yeah, same incoming power supply here. Okay, right. That's it, friends. So basically here the power supply requirement, you also the MCBs, all this there. On the top, we have the nodes. Okay. So this is good to go. This is the front view. Okay. Now I'm going to have the rear view. So in rear view also, I'm going to extend the node. Okay. You can see here the node 6, node 7, node 8. Okay. and node 9 and node 10. Okay, right. Then there also, you also have this power supply requirement, right? What is this item 17? That is the PVC duct again for cable routing, and same, whatever we have highlighted here, this 24, all these, the power supply also here. This is basically rear view. Okay, friends, right. So I think this is clear, right? This is the internal arrangement. Basically, you try to get the gist because different vendors follow different methodology. But I'm giving a overall view in line with the Yokogawa thing. So it's going to be same. That's, you just get to know what is to be inside in the internal layout. That's it, friends. Right. I think this is also clear, right? Okay. Now we go to the sectional view. So, okay, before going to the sectional view, I want to tell you what is this. Okay. As I explained in the beginning, as mentioned in the beginning, see, this is basically XX view. Okay. This is XX view. This is YY view. Okay. Right. Now I'll go here. What is this XX view? This is X, right, friends? This is X. Okay. Then here X. So I am cutting here. I am cutting here and weaving. I am weaving like this. Right. I am cutting here and weaving in this side, from this side, left side. Okay. That's it. Then YY. See, this is Y and YY. And if you view from this side, that will be the YY section. Very simple, right? Okay, that's it, friends. So this one, sorry, yeah, this one is the, what is that? XX view. Okay. So if you look at this XX view, okay, this is how it look actually. You can see here all this item. Yeah, we'll go one by one. This is front side, this is front side, this is rear side. Okay. So if you see here item 18, what is this item 18? Item 18 is the perforated tray. Okay, that is okay. Then you have 25. What is this 25? 25 is a disconnecting a terminal block. Okay. Then 52, 46, 31. 52, 46, 31. What is that? So that is also AC distribution. AC distribution, fuse type, all these actually. Then 46 also like that. 46 is actually shorting link. Then 31, 31 is also AC distribution power terminal. Okay, that is the thing. And what else? Yeah, you can see here all the nodes, right? Yes, all the nodes you can see here, right? This is the one. So this is basically sectional views. Okay, nothing much to explain. Of course, the CAD designer or the designer knows if you cut and what should be the view. Okay, maybe I can touch upon here. What is the item 8? Item 8 is actually a TS punch section with mounting flange. Okay, that's okay, not an issue. There's a mounting flange. Okay, so that's about that. Then that is for section XX. Then now section YY, you can see all these components again here. 32, 16, 45, all these power supply, right? Power supply, MCBs, all these are coming up. Okay, yeah, that's it. So yeah, nothing much to, and here we have some socket receptacles all there. And what is this item 13? Item 13 is again tin copper, non-isolated earth bar. This is for the safety, safety bar, safety earth. All these are there, friends. I think no need to worry much about this. It's basically a section view. The point is we need to get this section view drawing also. That's the point. Then I added a little bit more on this, like for example, here the front view, all these, you can see this front view, right? Front view, this is the bottom view. Yeah. Then a bit of sectional details also added. You can see here in the section details, see the light, right? The light is there, the fan, sorry, this is a smoke detector. And what else here? This is also section view. Section BB basically. You can see this fan, fan 51, 52 and fan 1 and 2. This also we need to provide. This is section ZZ, ZZ. Okay, right. Maybe we go back again. Where is the ZZ is there? Okay, here, you can see here this view. If you cut like this and view from here, this will be there, right? Yes, the what do you call, the light, everything will be there. So that's the point difference. I hope this also clear, right? Yes. So now we talked about external layout, we talked about internal layout also, right? Yes. Now we'll go, yeah, section also completed. Now the other important is the power supply. You know, there are a lot of nodes available, right? Nodes, lot of nodes are available, right? So for that, we need to give a power supply. Here you can see here. So this is, there is a scoping work here. Since it's a Yokogawa, so the scoping is there. So from here, all these are Yokogawa scope. So somebody will supply the cable, power supply cable. This is in case, this is actually 120 volt AC. Okay. Some case we go for 24 volt DC also. But this is example of 120 volt AC. Okay. So this cable will be supplied for others. You can see here the supply incoming feeder. Then you have a MCB. Okay. Then the terminal. Then it goes to the circuit breaker. Okay. Then shorting link all there. Then you have the other circuit breaker. All these you can see here, right? Then it is going to the nodes basically. This is the front node and this is the rear node. These are the supply arrangement. Then additionally you have this supply for fan 1 and 2. This one fan 1 and fan 51. Okay. Then here another option. I mean another option means another line 120 volt AC here, right? This is going to the other nodes actually. See, if you see here, this is a circuit breaker 1 to 5. Okay. Then 51 to 55. All these are covered here, right? Then here 61 to 65. Okay. Then 66, 67. All these. This is also for the nodes. This is also for the nodes. All the power supply. Then also here the fan 2 and 52. That's it, friends. Very simple, right? Yes. So this is the look and feel of the power distribution 120 volt AC UPS supply. Okay. Then now specifically this is the power distribution for the front nodes specifically. If you remember friends, the what do you call the numbering, right? Yes. So CB circuit breaker 1 you can see here circuit breaker 1 and circuit breaker 11. Okay, it goes to the node 1. Okay. Then similarly, circuit breaker 2, then circuit breaker 12 goes to node 2. So circuit breaker 3, circuit breaker 13, node 3. Okay. Then circuit breaker 4, circuit breaker 14, node 4. Circuit breaker 5 and circuit breaker 15, node 5. So likewise, this is on the rear side also. You can see 51, 61, node 6, 52, 62. Node 7. Okay, maybe I'll give like this, yeah, so that it'll be easy. Yeah, maybe a little bit, yeah. Then node 8, 7 here, 53, 63, node 3, 8, then 54, 64, node 9, then 55, 65, node 10. Okay, totally all 10 nodes we have connected the power supply, friends, right? Very simple. Okay, good. So now we go to the utility. Okay, now we are done with the node. So utility also same thing. Utility supply, the incoming cable will be from some other party, maybe a EPC guy. Okay. Here if you system guy, then this is the one. Incoming supply coming here. And what is the utility? You can see here all these. What is this lighting? LP1, LP51. And what is this circuit? Yeah, CO. All these circuit breaker. And this one we need to see what is that CO. CO is convenient outlet. Yeah, it's basically a socket outlet actually. Okay, right. So this is about the utility. Then you have the very important one, cabinet wiring, cabinet along wiring diagram. Okay, friends, this is a little bit very small, but yeah, it's just we have to manage it. Same here. The cable will be supplied from some other, yeah, this is basically, yeah, this is the cable. All these internal, one moment, yes, this is the 24 volt DC supply coming from outside. And this is also, yeah, so 24 volt DC supply, okay. Then, because it's alarm, right, so 24 volt DC is good enough. Then it's all going connected to a terminal block here. And yeah, this is for, I think, thermostat. If you remember, that is the thermostat cables, right? Yes, thermostat. Then you have this fan. You can see fan 1, fan 2, all these. and also fan 1 and fan 51, fan 2 and fan 52. Okay. Then comes here, what is, yes, fan alarm also there. Okay. So here I want to tell you one thing. If a fan status is on means no alarm actually. Sensor contact open, relay off, relay contact closed. Okay, no alarm. If it is off means sensor contact closed, relay on, relay contact open, alarm coming. Okay. So this is a typical fan schematic diagram. So the point here to note is this circuit diagram represents fan in running condition. Okay. So the fan alarm circuit detects a fan rotation. Okay. So if no rotation is mean, there will be an alarm. So this basically, if any problem with the cabinet, that will be sent as an alarm, friends. That is the typical wiring actually. I don't know how much you are going to, going to follow this. A little bit odd actually, but the point is we need to have this wiring diagram, the cabinet wiring diagram for alarm. Okay, right. Then now we go to the another aspect of cabinet grounding actually. And one of our actually viewer, he actually wrote to me, and in fact we are going to have a separate grounding session, grounding how we are going to connect, do the earthing actually, instrument earth, safety earth, with the respect to the cabinet panels. Okay, all these we are going to cover in a separate one once we do with all these panel design. Okay, don't worry. Now I want to give you something. So you can see here the safety ground. Okay, this also we need to have it, all the safety ground. Okay, so all you can see the connecting, the fan is connected, light is connected, node one, all these node 1, 2, 3, 4, all those are connected to the safety ground. Okay. Then also here the safety ground rear side. You can see here node 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, all these, sorry, 10. All these are connected to the safety ground. So this is the safety. This is a protection. Basically, we call it as a protection. Okay. Then we have the instrument ground. Okay. You can see here node 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these are connected, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? This is connected to the instrument ground. Very simple, friends. This is the earthing. So we need to also have this earthing also. So earthing means 2 point. One is safety, protection. Other is the instrument ground. Okay. I hope this is clear, right? Okay. This also some scoping is there. Basically, whatever is inside the panel, that will be by the system vendor, and outside the EPC or EPC contractor will do this. The grounding outside. Okay, right. So this is about the grounding. Then the final aspects is the nameplate, friends. Nameplate. Okay. So nameplate, there is some methodology we need to follow. Okay. This is the typical example. Now you can see here. So this is the total length. You can see here 7, 70, right? Yes. 70. Yes, this is the size. So basically first line you can see, this is the first line, second line and third line. Okay. First line 14 mm, then second line is 10 mm, third line 8 mm, like that. Okay. Yeah. So this is actually, this is basically cabinet type 1. This is the one type, cabinet main nameplate. And here also main nameplate, but it's a different type. Basically, there are 4, 5 lines are coming actually. So this one is Arabic. Of course, this is a Middle East project, so that is why. But we will go with only 1, 2, 3 options. Okay. So the point is we should have the separate nameplate details also. So when we talk about the specification, you can see material, light 3 mm thick, letter on the black. Okay, letter will be black, right? Then base color white. Okay, so background white and letter black, right? Then letter thickness 4 mm. Okay, Arial font, that is easier actually. Then another type actually white, black, white. Information engraved into the black core with a white surface dull finish. Okay, then fixed with the M3 screws actually, right? Okay, so that's it. And yeah, this type is also same actually. There is no difference, right? Yes, there is no difference. Both are same. Yeah, both are same actually. Yes, there's no much difference actually. So what we will do, we will only go with this 1, 2, 3 option. This one not required actually. Right. Then, yeah, of course, if it is a Middle East project, you need to follow this. Okay, right. This is the look and feel actually, right? You can see here, this is the panel number, this one some assignment and the cabinet number. Maybe this is a row actually, row. Okay. Then this one NP51 nameplate, the other nameplate. This is on the front side. This is on the rear side. This is a look and feel actually. And this is what actually, yeah. Close the cabinet door to ensure proper operation. Some type of, some, what do you call, caution, caution, warning actually. Okay. Right, friends. I think this nameplate is clear. So this is all actually now the look and feel only. First line, second line. This is basically what we have covered here is on the panel outside, okay, nameplate. But this one is more on the component for the component inside. Component in the sense what? Node, each node, right? So that one also we need to name it like this. First line 7 mm, second line 5 mm like that. So totally 20 mm size. Right. Type 2. So this one basic all actually same. You see truffle light 1.5 mm thick, black, base color white, and of course letter is smaller, 1 mm thick Arial font. Others all okay. Fixing there it is a screw type, but here is a self adhesive. Here also like that, nameplate detail. This one type 3. This also same, and this also same. So the point is there it was what do you call panel outside. Here it is components inside. This nameplate for the components inside. Okay, right. This is the look and feel. You can see this is a node, right? Node, and here all these node. Okay, then you have the components, the thermostat, fan, all these filter, everything nameplate. Okay, friends, right? I think good to go. Then the third also component nameplate. This is also same. You can see the component nameplate. Component in the sense a circuit breaker, all these MCB, all these. So this is even more smaller, but I think not. Yeah, the size is smaller, but the letter is the same actually. Yeah, 1 mm, 1 mm, right. I think not much to worry about this nameplate. Yes, then the final nameplate details. Yes, this is the one. Again, this is for also component inside. Like you can see, safety ground, instrument ground, and yeah, 120 volt AC UPS, 120 volt AC UPS, utility, all these. Then all these small items, we need to name it. Okay, friends. So that's about this, friends. And the final session is the BOM. So whatever we have seen the previous pages, right? The external layout, internal layout, all those numbering. We need against each item, we need to specify the name here and what is the make, what is the make and what is the model and what is the quantity, right? All these we need to input it in the form of a bill of material. You can see here the cabinet size, cabinet, plinth, door handle, drawing packet, lifting lag, insulator, the backlight, which I highlighted earlier, nameplate, and the mounting bracket, tinned copper insulated earth bar, power distribution terminal, PVC trough, the main circuit breaker, okay, incoming terminal utility, yeah, what else? Short, yeah, power distribution. All these basically, friends, whatever is we are highlighted, all these needs to be tabulated here in a form of a bill of material. That's it, friends. Very simple, right? So just as a recap, what we have talked actually, this is about the system cabinet drawing, right? Yes, system cabinet. As part of that, the first item was external layout. Okay, then channel based details. Then third, internal arrangement. Fourth, sectional view. Bit of complex, but yeah, of course, the system designer knows easily, CAD designer. Then the power distribution, 120 volt AC. Then the power distribution for the front nodes and the power distribution for the utility and cabinet drawing. Sorry, not cabinet wiring, drawing for the alarm. And yeah, then earthing, then the nameplate. Okay. So hope you had a good insight on this panel design. So yes, If you also feel the same, you can show your support by pressing the thumbs up button and subscribe, and if possible share with your friends. I know this is a little bit odd, but you share your opinion also. Is that good enough? If you feel any what do you call difficulties, you can write to me. We can have a online session with even more details. Actually, I try to give as much as possible in the shortest time. So yeah, if you have any other opinion, you can share with me so that I can take it and implement that in the next coming drawing. Actually, we will talk about the analog modeling. That's next similar fashion only, unless you have any other questions. And after this analog, we will also talk about the digital marshalling. Then we also talk about the foundation field bus cabinet design, all this. Thanks a lot, friends, once again. Wish you a very, very happy 2024. See you soon in the next video. Till then, this is Bala signing off. Bye-bye.